Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Straight Talk SIM card. So to put in or transfer your current phone number to Straight Talk, you must follow the step below. The phone number you are trying to put must be active with your current service provider, or if you want to create a new one, then you can just go with active one, or you can just easily find this option here how to install it. So if you want to install a SIM card in a phone with a removable back cover, follow these steps. You just need to make sure your phone is turned off, then remove the back cover by using the space provided on the edge of your phone and fitting the cover up. If necessary, remove the battery using the space provided at the top or bottom of the battery compartment. Locate the SIM card holder, arrange the SIM card so that the gold contact on the card faces down. Slide the card into the holder until it stops. Replace the battery if necessary, then replace the back cover. To install a SIM card in a phone without a removable back cover, follow these steps. You just need to use the SIM tray if you have also. So, and here the activation here, if you want to transfer your number and from another company to Straight Talk and you want to activate it, then you just need to follow the steps that the phone number you are trying to port must be active with your current service provider. You must submit a port in request. You can do this by going to www.straighttalk.com/activate, and in this page I'm going to show you. In this page you can just activate your number here. So here you can see the activation section where you can just activate your numbers. So like Straight Talk phone, you can just activate this for a new number, or you can just bring your own phone to activate the current number on your Straight Talk. So now you can just find this option that fill out all the required information to begin the process. Once you complete the request, the transferring process will begin. This can take a few hours. However, it can take up to 7 days. If this is a landline, it can take up to 30 days. You will know the process is complete when your old phone stops working. So you can just click on this activate button and a bot will pop up where you can just find that you have just sent that activate my device, and it will just ask for like activate your device please. You have to enter that IMEI number, your device's IMEI number, or if you have a BYOP SIM card, then you have to enter the SIM number, and then you can just easily activate your SIM card on Straight Talk. So that's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.